A perfect 100 drive score in a rally attempt market one. Biotech just pulled it off and Gainster caught it. Let's break it down.
This is your drive score update for July 31st, 2026 US Eastern Time.
Market overview. We're on day 2 of a rally attempt with 8 distribution days on the count. The market is trying to find its footing, but no follow-through day. Yet on our watch list, only one stock sits in the green zone with a drive score above 80, while 6 remain in yellow territory. That's a cautious setup in a rally attempt. You want to keep your shopping list ready, but your trigger finger patient. Stock market today is about preparation, not aggression. If this kind of analysis helps you stay sharp, hit subscribe so you never miss a DRIV score update.
Today's headlines.
Johnson & Johnson, ticker J&J, edged higher after announcing $3.5 billion in biotech acquisitions to expand its oncology pipeline. This signals serious commitment to cancer therapeutics, and it could fuel the next leg of J&J's cup with handle setup we're watching. Eli Lilly, ticker LLY, has been on an absolute tear, while rival Novo Nordisk has crashed. The obesity drug race is clearly picking winners and losers. Lilly's momentum is showing up in its chart pattern too, which we'll cover in the spotlights. And analysts are already debating Novo versus Lilly ahead of earnings. The consensus seems to lean Lilly's way right now, and with an RS rating of 80, the relative strength agrees earnings season could be the catalyst this cup with handle needs. Stock spotlights. First up, Nucor, ticker NUE, with a drive score of 70 out of 100. This steel giant is carving out a double bottom with lows at 219 and 214. The neckline sits at 270.90, RS rating 87 shows real relative strength. If the market confirms a rally, NUE's trigger at that neckline could reward patient buyers. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, scores 60 on the drive with RS 81. It's building a textbook cup with handle the cup carved down to 220 and climbed back to 269.43. The handle pulled back to 245.49. A breakout above 269.43 is the signal that $3.5 billion oncology deal adds fundamental fuel. Eli also at a 60 drive score with RS 80, another cup with handle but on a grander scale. The cup dipped all the way to 850 before recovering to 1182.73. Handle support at 1079, a breakout above 1182 would be massive. The obesity drug tailwind is real, and best stocks to buy now, August 2026, could include this name. Cardinal Health, ticker CAH, drive score 60 RS 77, medical distribution is a steady sector. And CAH is forming a cup with handle the cup bottomed at 180 and recovered to 243.21. Handle support at 220. Today, it gained 1.5%, showing some life breakout level is 243.21. Reliance Steel, ticker RS Drive 60, relative strength 72, another steel name with a double bottom, lows at 351 and 367. The neckline trigger is 419.83. Today, it popped 2%, leading the steel sector. If steel keeps waking up, RS could be the one to watch. United Airlines UAL rounds out the spotlights with a drive of 60 and RS 70. It's forming a cup with handle in the airline space. The cup bottomed at 84.64 and recovered to 117.96. Handle at 101.77. Down 1.8% today, so the handle is still forming breakout trigger 117.96. Finding value in this breakdown, smash that like button. It helps more traders discover these setups. Today's top pick. TWST Bioscience, ticker TWST, earns a perfect 100 drive score. This is the only green zone stock on our entire watch list. And it's a power play. Here's why. TWST rallied over 100% in just 8 weeks, launching from 49.17 to 99.84. Now it's resting in a tight 9.6% flag pullback. Think of it like a rocket that just refueled mid-flight. The RS rating of 96 is elite. Medical diagnostics and research is the industry group, and biotech innovation keeps attracting capital. The drive score rewards momentum, tight consolidation, and sector leadership, and TWST checks every box.
Here's my question for you. Would you buy a power play in a rally attempt market or wait for confirmation? Drop your answer in the comments.
Honourable Mentions.
Here are the remaining names on our watch list. We've got a nice mix of healthcare and materials plays. Keep an eye on NUE and RS in steel. Both are forming bottoms, and today's price action shows some buyers stepping in. If the rally attempt gains legs, these could be early movers off the starting line.
Here's what I'm thinking. 8 distribution days and a day 2 rally attempt. The market wants to turn, but it hasn't proven itself yet. The playbook is clear. Build your watch list now, act when the follow-through day arrives. Tomorrow, watch whether TWST holds its flag or starts to break out, and keep steel on your radar. NUE and RS are coiling. This has been Gainster. Stay sharp, stay patient, and I'll see you tomorrow.